Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help fix error code 1 in TLauncher. First, let's ensure your Java installation is current and properly set up. A stable internet connection is crucial, so check for any interruptions. Also, confirm that your firewall or antivirus isn't mistakenly blocking TLauncher. Finally, always make sure you are running the very latest version of TLauncher itself for the best compatibility and performance. Error code 1 often stems from a few common issues. An outdated or corrupted Java version is a frequent culprit, as TLauncher relies heavily on it. Sometimes, not enough RAM allocated to Minecraft can cause the game to crash. Corrupted game files or an incorrect game directory can also lead to this problem. Lastly, incompatible mods or resource packs are very common sources of this error. If the basic checks don't work, let's try some advanced steps. Reinstall Java completely, making sure to download the correct 64-bit version for your operating system. Within TLauncher settings, increase the RAM allocated to Minecraft, perhaps to 2 or 4 gigabytes. If a specific game version is problematic, delete and re-download it. Also, try temporarily disabling your firewall or antivirus to see if they are interfering. To prevent future error code 1 issues, always keep both TLauncher and Java updated to their newest versions. Before adding new mods or resource packs, always check their compatibility to avoid conflicts. Ensure you allocate enough system resources, like at least 2 gigabytes of RAM, for smooth gameplay. Finally, running TLauncher as an administrator can often resolve permission-related problems, keeping your game running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.